guys? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. As always, helps the channel grow. And I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. So hey, this video, we're jumping right into it. This is an update on the Robinhood portfolio. I come in about once a month or once every couple of weeks just to kind of give you guys an update on the small Robinhood portfolio that we're building up. We were doing some trading in this portfolio, but I decided to stop the trading in this portfolio. And actually, I haven't been trading that much lately. I will start back probably the beginning of the year, but it'll be in another portfolio, probably the Mumu portfolio, once I get a little bit more comfortable on using Mumu. But I wanted to get back to the basics of this portfolio and do what we know how to do, and that's invest and make the right decisions as far as what we invest in and how we invest. So I think you'll see by the recent improvements that I think we're back on the right track with this portfolio. So let's jump right into it and let's take a look and see where we are at in the Robinhood portfolio. In this portfolio, I am fully transparent with this portfolio. It's an active portfolio live right now. This is the only portfolio that I do that with. And as you see, we are back over the 6K mark. It's been a while since we've been over that 6K mark. So we've hit 6K again. You see we're up 1.33% today. And hopefully we stay on the right track, right? So let's just take a look. Let's take a look and see how we've gotten to this point. So we're up 1.33% today. Over the last week, this portfolio is up 11%, $603. Over the last month, we're up 14%, up $755. Over the last 3 months, we're up 19.36%, up $979. And year to date, we are down. We're down 5%, but I'm coming for that break even. I want to get back to the green for this year to date. Over the last year, we are up 6%, $365. And all time in this portfolio, we are up 50%, over $2,000 in this portfolio. So we're up 50%. So overall, great performance out of the portfolio. Like I said, we hit a downturn this year because I was really doing some trial and error in this portfolio with some trading, and it kind of had a negative impact on the portfolio. So that's why you saw a dip in the year-to-date numbers, and it was a lot worse than this. Probably it was definitely double digits, and it was even worse on the last video. And you see the improvements we're making to catch back up year-to-date in this portfolio. And what do we have in this portfolio? We have crypto. So unless you've been living under a rock lately, crypto has been booming, and we are seeing the positive effects in this portfolio from crypto. So let's just keep it a buck, right? Crypto's been jumping. The stock market's been jumping since the election. We're getting that election pop. That's pretty much expected after an election because now the markets have clarity. And if you go back to 2020, 2016, you kind of see this, it's kind of expected, right? So you never know what's going to happen with crypto, but definitely for sure with the stocks, the stock market, Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, all that stuff. To me, that was like not unexpected, just based off what's happened in previous election years. So, but let's just run through what we have real quick. We have Ethereum. Let's just see how Ethereum has performed lately. So we have a total return of 53% on our Ethereum position. We're up 0.38% today. And you see our average cost of Ethereum is $2,228.69. And doing pretty good. overall return of 52.96%. You see, we have some automatic investments that go into Ethereum. I may start increasing this with the boom in crypto, but we'll see. We'll see. Just play it by ear. I don't want to get too far out the way. Bitcoin. Our total equity is $817. We are up 123% on our Bitcoin position with an average cost of $36,138.91. And you see Bitcoin is over the 80K mark. Over the 80K mark. So it's booming. It's booming. I wish I had more, but I'm in the game. People, get in the game. Got a little Doge coin here. Got a little Doge. And let's see where we are on our Doge. We are up 159% on our Doge position with an average cost of 11 cent. So I had more Doge at one time that I sold it, but I started building back up, and this is where we at. So we are, and Doge has been jumping, going crazy lately. You see it's up 26% today. So once again, we in the game. We in the game. That's all I can ask for, is to be in the game. And I have another portfolio. I have a Coinbase portfolio where I have other crypto as well. So this is not the only crypto that I have. It's just the only crypto that's in this particular portfolio. So doing well. So we see crypto has been popping. Let's take a look at our stocks or ETFs here. ET. And we see ET, we have an average cost of $13.62. ET is currently trading at $17.30. Friday, we was up 1%. Overall, we are up 26.99% on this position. And you see we have a dividend that is pending right now. That's going to hit the account. Going to be about $25. So that's going to be reinvested. It's going to add to the position that we currently have, and we're going to keep it moving. Once again, in the game. Got to be in the game. VTI. VTI is a position that I'm currently building up right now. We are only at, well, I ain't going to say only, because this, as you see, is trading at $296 a share, and we are at 3.9299. So we're heading toward that 4 shares, and we're investing in this every week, right? I don't say I do a weekly channel. I don't do any videos on it, but we are investing in this weekly to build up this position. And you see we're up 21% overall on our VTI position. And you see we have a upcoming weekly buy that's going to be on Thursday. So we are continuing to build up our VTI position. I would love to be one day at 10 shares of VTI in this portfolio, as well as QQQM, another one that we're building up as well over time. But QQQM, we had 3.58 shares. You see average cost $169.77. We are up 24% on our QQQM position. I have no complaints about that at all. So we are definitely building up, and it's been performing. And like I say, man, the markets are doing pretty well so far. But even before then, we were doing pretty well on this position. If you go back and look at some of the previous Robinhood videos that I did. And last but not least, Main Street Capital. We are sitting at 17.45 shares. We are up overall 24% on this position. Do we have a dividend? Yep, got a dividend coming this week, $4.28. This pays every month. So we'll be adding to that. I actually paused my bi-weekly, but I think I'm going to start it back up pretty soon. But even with not currently investing in it, because I am focusing on VTI and QQQM, we are getting paid every month from dividends, and we reinvest those dividends. So even when I'm not currently investing, I still get dividends, and I still reinvest those dividends. So that's the beauty of dividend investing and reinvesting. So But yeah, that's it, man. That's it. You see, the Robinhood portfolio is doing really well. We're back over the 6,000 mark, and we're hoping this thing is going to keep growing over time. And which it has, it's been performing, and I think we're in pretty good shape with our portfolio with Robinhood. So we're going to hit the ground running in 2025, and we're going to get this thing back where it needs to be, or back going up. As you see, it is going up, but we're going to make sure it stays up this time. So, but yeah, that's it, man. Let me know what you guys think. What you guys think about the Robinhood portfolio? So, you only have 4 positions, only got a little bit of crypto, so it's nice and compact portfolio. Not doing anything extra. No more trading in this portfolio. Um, we're going to do that in another portfolio, and I think that's along with the stock market pop. I think that's the reason you see the portfolio heading back in the right direction. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the feedback as always. And yeah, that's it, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and more importantly, always invest in yourself. Find that time, find those dollars or cents or whatever to invest in yourself. Reading, do something to always invest in yourself. But that's it, man. I will talk to you guys later.